So we wake up every morning with bags under our eyes. What's the first thing we've got to do? Get rid of them bags, obviously. The anti-fatigue eye roll-on, you know, because day in the life of Naz is somewhat restless. You know, we don't really get a great sleep when you know that nobody loves you. So obviously all we do is just, you don't even have to squeeze or anything. It's a little bit like roll-on deodorant, but roll-on under eye bags, etc, etc. You feel like somewhat hydrated, you feel ready to like wake up and be alert and attack the day. So I think this is a great way to start your day. Bagless, no dramas. When I say anti-fatigue moisturizing cream, listen, look at the state of my skin. I don't know for a fact, my skin is always looking fresh. Absolutely fresh. Do you know why? Because we hydrate, we moisturize. No ashy skin, that could never be me. Clear skin. Do you know what I'm saying? All because of anti-fatigue moisturizing pot. Like, that is actually one thing that I take pride in. You know, skincare. Look at that. I feel like it just makes you a little bit more confident. Do you know what I mean? You know, you can't really go wrong with a nice bit of moisturizing. Eye roll-on cream, phase 1, phase 2. Obviously for people such as myself who are able to grow a somewhat healthy beard, we have to apply the beard and hair styling cream. Obviously push that up, keep this one in check. Do you know what I mean? Otherwise we're just looking like the wind's been blowing all around. You know, it's not a good look. Anyway, all we do is just a little, to be fair, I trim my beard down, but this just keeps it all going in one motion. Can't have one going this way, one going that way, looking scruffy, do you know what I mean? So, and obviously in your hair, obviously get it in between the fingers, pushing up, down, up, down. So next up we have the anti-fatigue quenching gel. Quenching, you know, that makes it sound like it's somewhat fancy, can't lie. And guess what? It is quenching. So this is when your face is feeling fatigued and tired, you know, it's kind of an oily, and this really does help to combat it. So you get that in and amongst your hands. Just apply it to the spots that are looking tired, and hopefully, you know, people aren't like, Jesus Christ, Naz, you're shining. I know you're shining, but you're shining. Your forehead is, it's not a good look. Not a good look, mate. It's not a good look. I have one last product. This product is absolutely unreal. We have the long beard oil, and what this is meant to do is just kind of moisturize underneath the beard, keep it in check. So for those with a little bit of a longer beard, highly recommend long beard and skin oil. So after running through those wonderful products, I hope I've highlighted the importance of a skincare routine, and it's imperative if you want to look fresh and feel fresh, so I would highly recommend.